Race number 4, Santana Park, Nai Cavite, and the rough early lead is taken by Toad the Mark from the outside, Diamond Magic, Portless, and Aras on the outside. Bringing up the rear is Jigsaw Star. The mid-bike stretch is still Toad the Mark by 3.5 lengths, followed by Portless in second by the rail, Diamond Magic, Aras, and Jigsaw Star. Nearing the far turn, it is still Toad the Mark by 3.5 lengths, followed by Portless by the rail in second, Diamond Magic on the outside in third. On the farther outside is Aras in fourth and Jigsaw Star. Rounding the far turn, it is still Toad the Mark, the leader by 4 lengths, followed by Portless, Diamond Magic moving up on the outside. And here comes Aras on the farther outside in fourth and Jigsaw Star. The last bend for home, it is still Toad the Mark leading the field by 4.5 lengths, Diamond Magic running in second. Aras on the farther outside, moving up on the inside is Portless, Jigsaw Star. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Toad the Mark in the lead, and Aras moving up now by the rail, but it's still Toad the Mark on the outside, Aras by the rail. It is still Toad the Mark on the outside, and Aras moving up once again by the rail. It's Toad the Mark and Aras by the rail, and finally on the payoff line, it's Aras, Toad the Mark, Jigsaw Star, Portless, and Diamond Magic.
Okay, 5-4-1.